Have you ever thought that a bird could be bigger than you, run faster than cars, and provide valuable leather and meat? A flightless bird with extraordinary strength and traits that make it a valuable asset. Today we'll explore how the ostrich lives, eats, and the economic benefits it brings. The ostrich is the largest and heaviest bird on the planet. An adult ostrich can grow up to 2.5 meters tall and weigh as much as a small motorcycle. This might surprise you, but ostriches have incredibly strong legs. Although they can't fly, their legs are extremely powerful, capable of reaching speeds up to 72 kilometers per hour, faster than most cars. In terms of size, just one strong kick from them is enough to injure or even kill a lion. With their enormous size and extraordinary strength, ostriches can live up to 75 years under good care. Although they cannot fly, they are still a highly resilient bird, easily adapting to harsh environments like deserts. Ostriches are omnivores and can eat almost anything, from plants to seeds, fruits, and even small animals when necessary. These giant birds require ample space to develop their muscles and maintain their health. Therefore, ostrich farms must be designed to be spacious and well ventilated, giving them enough room to move and exercise. Ostrich farms typically have large outdoor enclosures with dry air and natural light, providing an ideal environment for the ostriches to thrive. They adapt to desert environments where the climate is dry and hot, so the ostrich habitat must resemble a desert with plenty of open space. The enclosures are large with shaded areas to protect them from harsh weather, while also keeping the ostriches healthy and stress-free. This not only helps the ostriches maintain good health, but also makes their meat firmer and tastier. They need space to run and develop their muscles. Raising them in large areas not only provides enough space for exercise, but also helps them maintain their speed and excellent health. This is why ostrich farms often have expansive areas where ostriches can freely run and exercise. To maintain a healthy body and proper development, ostriches need a balanced diet. Their diet is quite varied, primarily consisting of vegetables, grass, leaves, seeds, and fruits. These foods provide the essential nutrients needed to help ostriches maintain their health and develop strong muscles. In particular, they also eat nutritious foods like cornmeal, peanuts, and many other types of seeds. Since ostriches don't have teeth, they need small stones that they swallow to help digest their food. These stones assist in grinding the food in their stomach, aiding better nutrient absorption. Additionally, ostriches also get water from the foods they eat, helping to maintain the necessary moisture for their bodies. It's worth noting that ostriches are not picky eaters. They consume a wide variety of foods and can easily adapt to the environment where they are raised, as long as there is a sufficient supply of nutritious food. So why has ostrich farming become attractive to many farmers? The answer is that all products from ostriches are highly valuable. Ostrich meat is a lean and healthy food source, often compared to beef in terms of flavor, but with less fat and cholesterol. It provides many essential nutrients such as protein, iron, calcium, and is very good for health. Not only the meat, but ostrich leather is also a highly valuable product. Ostrich leather is known for its unique round feather pattern, which is used to create high-end fashion items like handbags, wallets, shoes, and clothing. Products made from ostrich leather are extremely durable and luxurious in appearance, making them highly sought after in the fashion industry. In addition, ostrich farming is relatively easy and doesn't require much effort. They have a simple diet and are not picky eaters, and they don't suffer from many serious diseases. Raising ostriches is not very expensive, and with the high demand for ostrich products in both the food and fashion industries, investing in ostrich farming has become increasingly attractive. Have you ever thought about raising ostriches? Can you imagine owning an ostrich farm and enjoying the valuable products they provide? Share your thoughts in the comments below this video. Female ostriches start laying eggs when they are about 2 to 3 years old. Each year, a female ostrich can lay between 40 and 100 eggs. These eggs are very large, weighing about 1.3 kilograms each. Although the female lays the eggs, both the male and female take part in caring for them. After the ostriches lay their eggs, farmers collect them and place them in incubators. The incubation process is crucial, and farmers regularly monitor the temperature, humidity, and condition of the eggs to ensure the highest hatching rate. Ostrich eggs can be incubated using an incubator or left for the mother ostrich to incubate. When the mother ostrich incubates, she gently taps her beak on the eggshell to help the chick break through and hatch. What do you think about this difference? Do you think an incubator or the care of the mother ostrich is more effective? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In addition, for eggs that do not hatch, the smooth and thick shell becomes an ideal material for crafting exquisite handcrafted items such as necklaces, bowls, or decorative vases. Artisans can carve or paint on the eggshell to create unique products. Not only used in art, ostrich eggshells are also used to make high-end decorative items like table lamps and vases, adding a luxurious and distinctive touch to living spaces. The diet of ostrich chicks primarily consists of seeds, young grass, and added vitamins and minerals to boost their immune system. In particular, they need to eat small stones to help digest their food. In the first 3 months, they can gain up to 30 kilograms if well cared for. To ensure the chicks develop healthily, the farm needs to create an environment with a temperature range of 30 to 35 degrees Celsius during the first weeks, as well as ample space for them to move freely. With proper care, ostrich chicks can reach a height of up to 1.5 meters within 6 months, preparing them for adulthood, where they can run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. When ostriches reach full maturity, they are transported to processing facilities. The process of slaughtering and processing ostrich meat is quite meticulous, aimed at maximizing yield while preserving its natural flavor. Ostrich meat is very low in fat and cholesterol, but is rich in protein, calcium, and iron, making it an excellent choice for those who enjoy a healthy diet. Ostrich meat can be prepared in many delicious ways, such as steaks, stir-fried, grilled, or stewed, combined with various spices to create tasty and nutritious dishes. Not only the meat, but ostrich feathers also have high value and are used in various industries. Ostrich feathers are often used to make decorative items, such as high-end dusters, or in the fashion industry to create luxurious hats and scarves. Additionally, ostrich feathers are used in handcrafted products, adding a delicate and unique beauty. Ostrich farming not only provides economic benefits, but also offers an interesting and promising industry. From meat and leather to eggs, every product from ostriches is highly valuable and widely used in the food and fashion industries. So, what do you think about ostrich farming? Share your thoughts with us, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to receive more interesting videos in the future.